Don't need your forgiveness. Don't need your hate. Don't need your resistance. So what should I do? Don't need your resistance. Don't need your praise. Don't need no vengeance. Away from you. I don't do what I've been told. You're so lame. Why don't you?
Hey, what are you doing?
Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. 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 Don't need your prison. Don't need your pain. Don't need your decision. So what should I do? Don't need your approval. Don't need your hope. Don't need your religion. Nothing from you. I'll be sorry when I'm old. You're so full of shit, man. Just go. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. Don't need your forgiveness. Don't need your hate. Don't need your resentment. So what should I do? Don't be sorry, so you said. I'm not sorry, but you're dead. Motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. Motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. Motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die.
Alright, sweet. So you just watched our second short fight film. 5 days of shooting, many hours of editing,
Couple broken noses.
couple broken noses, yeah, a few bottles of sake, one 911 call later, and that's a wrap. So,
bad.
yeah. Alright, cool. So, alright, once again, choreography, thanks to Walter. He outdid himself on this one. What do you think?
I tried my best.
You
so.
did great. You did awesome. And he took time off of a real movie set that he's working on to come work on our small little project. And Trevor, again, cinematography, editing, sound effects, stuntman. Many falls, many breaks, whatever. All right, cool. So, you're about to watch the outtakes. Many blood, sweat, and tears went into the making of this one. I hope you enjoy just as much as we did making it, and keep watching. Thanks.
Have fun.
Peace. Hair and makeup people. Where's my hair and makeup people? Alright. Thanks, bitch. But those are going out.
Okay. Rolling and action.
Just give me a second.
You can catch
Let me
the
see.
body.
Just,
I got
take
from
it.
like where the stripes start on her.
Okay, so
Take it.
bam. Sorry, that was
Jesus, if I had balls.
Sorry.
And action.
Shit. I keep leaning back for the knee kick.
See?
I need to bam, come in.
It's not so easy, Mr. Stuntman, is it?
Alrighty.
Okay.
Okay. And rolling. And action. What the hell? Action. What?
I can't hit a laughing girl.
And
I'm
Really
scared.
scared. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Oh.
deserved it. Deserved it.
I should have kept going.
No, you look like you got knocked back into the couch.
The fucking remote! Ah! Rolling. Action.
Action. You guys are done.
Okay. No more laughing. Are you laughing? Oh shit. Ow. Dizzy, Liz. Dizzy.
Rolling.
Oh! Grab the remote. What the hell? I hit my elbow, so I was like, oh god, and then tick. Sorry, it's cool.
Action. God damn it.
Someone's gonna.
This is my favorite position, okay? Oh god. Oh shit. Sorry. Oh, I kicked hard.
That was so good! I just feel it.
I just elbowed myself in the. What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is he doing to me? Ow. Shit. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god.
Oh my god! What the fuck just happened?
Oh shit. Hey, ready?
You got this! Trevor, let's go! Balls out! Come on, no!
I know.
We're gonna do
There you
this.
go. Yeah.
High energy!
Action.
This film sucks.